Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use a live wallpaper from Pinterest on your phone. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once the app opens, you'll be on the home page with different pins and ideas. We're going to search for a live wallpaper that you can download and use on your phone. Now tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type live wallpaper and search. Pinterest will show you a variety of live wallpapers to choose from based on your search. Browse through the results and open the wallpaper you'd like to use. Once it's open, tap the three-dot menu located at the bottom right side of the screen. This will display additional options for that wallpaper. From the menu, tap the download option to save the wallpaper to your device. After the download is complete, the wallpaper will be available in your phone's Gallery or Photos app. You can now set it as your wallpaper. Next, open your phone's settings and go to the Wallpaper section. Tap Add Wallpaper, then choose the wallpaper you just downloaded from your gallery. Finally, set it as your home screen, lock screen, or both, depending on your preference. And that's how you can use a Pinterest wallpaper on your phone in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy tutorials.